How to replace a washing machine door seal. Start by removing the top panel. Take out the dispenser tray. Remove the kick plate. Undo the screws. Remove the spring clamp. Pull the seal off the front lip. Unscrew the top screws. Remove the front cover. Remove the dispenser hose. Remove the seal on the inner side of the drum. Put on the new rubber seal. Make sure the drum moves freely and the seal is properly fitted. Put the dispenser pipe back on. Hook the front panel back on. Secure it with the screws. Don't forget the screws on the bottom part. Upper screws. Open the door and start fitting the seal onto the front lip. Make sure everything is in place. Fit the retaining clamp back on. Check again that the drum spins without any resistance and everything is correct. Plug the machine into the outlet. Select the shortest cycle. Clean the dispenser. Make sure all the nozzles are clear. Clean out the area. Put the top cover back on. Secure it with the screws. Put the kick cover back on. Slide the dispenser drawer back in. Tidy up your workspace. Happy washing with your new seal! Like, share, follow, comment.